Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. And in this video, I want to talk to you about the importance of hiring an attorney as close in time to when you are arrested or when you believe you're under investigation for a crime as possible. And as I'm doing this video, we are in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic. It is the early portion of 2021. And specifically here in San Diego, we are seeing a lot of potential clients who ultimately become our clients wind up getting arrested, let's say in January. They make bail, and then their first court date is not until July. And many times they'll come in and we'll have a good meeting. Okay, we're interested in moving forward with your firm. Our firm is interested in taking the case. We agree to a basic, parameters of how much this is going to cost. And then it's like, okay, well, I'll follow up with you in a couple of months. No, let's make effective use of the time, right? I mean, admittedly, there are certain limitations on what can be done up until the arraignment, up until that filing decision is made, whether or not a prosecutor is actually going to charge a crime or not. But there are still a significant amount of things that are able to be done before that point. And the last thing you want to do as someone who's accused of a crime, someone's facing criminal charges or has been arrested, is to have to go at this alone, whether it's for a day, an hour, a month, or 4 months, and look back at it when the case is wrapping up and say, wow, I wish I could have done more early on. Had I moved forward with that firm 4 months before I did, they might have been able to undo some of this damage. They might have been able to get me a better deal. I might have had that peace of mind knowing that I did everything I could when I was facing a serious criminal charge. So just because your arraignment date may be 4 weeks, 4 months down the road, doesn't mean you say, you sit back and you just do nothing and wait until very close to that arraignment date to reach out and hire a quality, locally experienced criminal defense law firm. Okay? General advice is you bail out of jail, right? You may even want to reach out to an attorney while you're in custody, unless you know you're going to bail out right away. If you don't think you're going to be able to bail out within a couple of hours, you need to get on board a serious defense. Just the reality of it. I would even suggest that if you are arrested and you're looking for a bail bondsman, you don't have a bail bondsman in mind, reach out to an attorney or a law firm that you're considering hiring, as they may be able to put you in contact with a couple of bail bondsmen in case you need their references. Okay? What also you want to be mindful of is that when you get out, take a shower, take a nap, decompress, exhale. But you have to get back to work finding a quality law firm. And you want to go out there and meet with, whether it's through video conference, phone conference, or in person when it's safe to do so. You want to be able to see that firm. You want to be able to do your research on that firm and make that decision. So you could get back to between January and July, right, between the arrest and the court date, you could try and get back to your life as normal as possible with that team of attorneys and assistants and that whole firm advising you accordingly throughout the process. Get a head start on it. You have too much at stake, especially when you're facing serious felony charges. So if you have any questions about your arrest, your upcoming arraignment, whether again it's in 2 days, 2 weeks, or 2 months or longer, feel free to give our firm a call, 619-295-3555, 619-295-3555.